Willy Wonka's chocolate factory is a beloved classic that has delighted generations with its imaginative and wondrous world of candy and whimsy. However, upon closer inspection, it's clear that this delightful confectionery paradise is actually a hotbed of OSHA violations. From the dangerous machinery to the unsanitary conditions, the factory is a disaster waiting to happen. So let's take a closer look at the various OSHA violations present in this classic movie. First and foremost, let's talk about the chocolate waterfall and the Oompa Loompas. The chocolate waterfall may look pretty, but it's actually a major hazard. There are no guardrails or barriers to prevent someone from falling in, which is a clear violation of OSHA's regulations on fall protection.
My chocolate! My beautiful chocolate!
Don't just stand there, do something!
Help! Police! Murder!
They're little men!
Jumping crocodiles, Charlie.
Dummy, right?
Now we know.
Additionally, the Oompa Loompas operate a variety of complex machines. But they don't seem to have any training or protective gear. No hard hats or safety glasses. These little guys are just asking for trouble. Moving on to sanitation. The factory is a veritable petri dish of germs. The chocolate river is not only a drowning hazard, but it's also a breeding ground for bacteria. And don't even get me started on the unsanitary conditions in the fizzy lifting drinks room.
Let's take a drink, Charlie. Nobody's watching. A small one won't hurt us. Whoops.
Not only is it a major health code violation to have food and drink in a factory setting, but the room is also filled with bubbles that could cause workers to slip and fall. Oh, and let's not forget the giant exposed fan at the top of a room specifically meant to test a product that makes you float up.
It's pulling me in!
I can't stop. I can't stop.
What do we do?
Grab hold of something quick.
There's nothing to grab onto!
What was I thinking with this design? Now let's talk about the Great Glass Elevator. This contraption is a clear violation of OSHA's regulations on transportation. There are no seat belts or safety harnesses, and the elevator seems to have a mind of its own. It's a wonder that nobody has been seriously injured or killed while riding in this death trap. Last but not least, let's talk about the lack of proper training and safety protocols. None of the children who visit the factory are given any safety briefings or training, which is a clear violation of OSHA's regulations on employee training. The kids are allowed to run wild and eat whatever they want, which is a major health and safety hazard. And when Augustus Gloop falls into the chocolate river, there's no emergency action plan in place. It's chaos.
What's happening to him?
It looks like he's drowning.
Dive in, save him!
Oh, it's too late.
In conclusion, while Willy Wonka's chocolate factory may seem like a dream come true, it's actually a nightmare for anyone concerned with workplace safety. From the dangerous machinery to the unsanitary conditions, this factory is a disaster waiting to happen.
Don't care how I want it now!
Hopefully, with some improvements and proper OSHA compliance, the factory can continue to delight and amaze future generations without putting anyone's safety at risk. Remember to press the like and subscribe buttons to get more fun safety content from the National Association of Safety Professionals.